Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Ford Edge with keys locked inside. First, check if you have the Ford Pass app installed on your phone, as this is often the quickest solution. If not, consider calling roadside assistance, which is usually included with your vehicle. For a more hands-on approach, a slim jim or a wedge and long reach tool can be effective, but these require careful handling to avoid damage. The Ford Pass app offers a convenient way to unlock your vehicle remotely. Simply open the app on your smartphone and log in with your Ford account. Once logged in, select your specific Ford Edge from the vehicle list. You'll then see an option to remotely lock or unlock your doors. Tap the unlock button and your car should respond within moments, granting you access. If the Ford Pass app isn't an option, contacting roadside assistance is a reliable next step. Many Ford vehicles come with this service, and they can often send a professional to your location quickly. Have your vehicle's identification number and your exact location ready when you call. A trained technician can safely open your Ford Edge without causing any damage, getting you back on your way. For a manual approach, you can try using a wedge and a long reach tool. Carefully insert a plastic wedge into the top corner of your driver's side door to create a small gap, perhaps 1/4 of an inch. Then, use a long reach tool to carefully press the unlock button on the door panel. Alternatively, a slim jim can be used to manipulate the internal locking mechanism, but this method requires skill and caution to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.